Have you ever faced a problem that felt like a lion, huge, powerful, and ready to take you down? Most people think they need more strength to survive, but the truth is you only need a better strategy. Today's story is about a simple donkey who faced certain death and used a level 2 psychological trick to turn the king of the jungle into a coward. Let's look at how presence of mind can beat raw power. Deep in the heart of a thick jungle, there lived an ordinary donkey. One afternoon, while wandering through the brush, he felt a chill down his spine. He stopped dead in his tracks. Standing directly in his path was a massive, hungry lion. The donkey's heart hammered against his ribs. "Is this it?" he muttered. "Is my movie ending before the climax?" Just as panic began to set in, he spotted a scattered pile of bleached bones nearby. A spark of genius hit him. Time to play the role of a lifetime, he thought. The donkey sat down among the bones with the confidence of a king. He let out a loud, theatrical sigh. "Man, that last lion was barely a snack. My stomach is still growling. If only another one would show up so I could finish my lunch." The lion froze. His blood ran cold. What kind of beast eats lions? He wondered. Terrified of becoming a side dish, the king of the jungle turned tail and bolted into the trees. A jackal, watching from the safety of a high branch, couldn't believe his eyes. He sprinted after the lion, laughing hysterically. "You coward. That wasn't a monster. It was just a donkey playing a trick on you." Embarrassed and furious, the lion bared his teeth. "He made a fool of me. Show me where he is. I'll tear him apart." "I'll lead the way," the jackal smirked. "Just don't run away this time." As they approached, the donkey saw them coming. He knew the jackal had spilled the beans. "Level 2, start," he whispered to himself. Before they could even get close, the donkey stood up and shouted, "Hey, jackal, I told you to bring me 2 fresh lions for my midday meal. Why are you bringing me just this one scrawny little guy? I'm starving over here." The lion didn't wait for an explanation. He didn't even look at the jackal. He vanished into the forest like a streak of lightning, convinced he had just narrowly escaped a predator. Linguistic breakdown. Stopped dead in his tracks. To stop moving very suddenly, usually because of fear or surprise. Spilled the beans. An idiom meaning to reveal a secret or tell the truth about a trick. Turn tail. To turn around and run away from a situation in a cowardly way. Scrawny. Used to describe someone or something that is unpleasantly thin and weak. Role of a lifetime. A phrase from the acting world meaning the best or most important job an actor will ever have. Key takeaway: psychology of perception. In the world of psychology, this story illustrates how perception creates reality. The lion wasn't defeated by a stronger animal. He was defeated by his own belief. Stay calm. Panic shuts down the logical brain. Confidence is key. Often, how you present yourself matters more than your actual resources. Presence of mind. Intelligence isn't just what you know. It's how you use what you know when things go wrong. Final thoughts. The lion didn't run away because the donkey was stronger. He ran because he believed the donkey was a monster. This is the power of perception. In your life, your lions, whether they are exams, work stress, or difficult people, are often only as scary as you perceive them to be. Stay calm, think clearly, and remember, your mind is your most powerful weapon. If this lesson clicked for you, drop a smart mind in the comments.